What's the meaning of all-star? All-star. 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 All-star.
The term all-star typically refers to a player who is recognized as being among the top performers in a particular sport or activity, often as part of an all-star team. This can signify excellence in skill, performance, and/or popularity within the sport. All-star events are often held as showcases for these players and can draw significant attention from fans and media. Overall, the designation of all-star is a prestigious recognition that reflects an individual's high level of achievement and standing within their field.